Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming iOS 26 is installed and your battery is over 20% to avoid interruptions. Next, turn Bluetooth off from Control Center and count to 10. This clears transient radio issues. Once done, restart the iPhone, use a normal restart or a force restart if the device is stuck, because a fresh system state often restores the Bluetooth stack. Make sure to wait until the lock screen appears before moving on to pairing steps to ensure services have fully restarted. You now remove stale pairing data that commonly blocks reconnection. Go to Settings, Bluetooth, tap the info icon and choose Forget this device for the problematic accessory. This removes cached keys. After that, reset network settings to clear broader cached profiles. Note this also resets Wi-Fi and VPNs, so prepare credentials. Once the reset completes, re-enable Bluetooth and check the accessory for firmware updates, because incompatible firmware often causes repeated disconnects and need to be corrected before pairing succeeds. You finish by putting the accessory into pairing mode and selecting it from the Bluetooth list. Watch for prompts and accept any pairing codes. If pairing fails, toggle airplane mode on then off to reset radios, bring the accessory within 1 meter to reduce interference, and try again. If problems persist, check the accessory battery and nearby Wi-Fi or microwave sources that can disrupt 4 GHz. As a final tip, back up important settings and contact Apple or the accessory maker for firmware or hardware support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.